Okay, good morning. December 9. We're close for Christmas. Okay, Kaiser and Obi. So this will be your spelling words for today. Okay, again, I will give you 10 words that you need to spell. I need you to give out the spelling, definition, synonym, antonym, and usage of the word. Okay, shall we start now? Okay, first word will be accolade. First word is accolade. Second word is calcified. Again, calcified. Third word is canonized. Canonized. Fourth word is buoy. 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 Sixth word is rendezvous. 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 Seventh word is condescending. 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 Eighth word is concubine. 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 Ninth word is agnostic. Agnostic. 10th word is nocturnal. Nocturnal. Again, I need you to find for the definition, proper pronunciation, definition, synonym, antonym, and usage of the word. Okay, we will have a review. First word is accolade, calcified, canonized, buoy, jubilee, rendezvous, condescending, concubine, agnostic, nocturnal. Okay, that is your 10 word for the day. Okay, you know what you need to look for. Okay, Kaiser, we will still do I am a poem later. OB, you still have your speaking engagement. Okay, I need you to engage for that. Okay, I need you to look for that. Okay, that's it for the day. That's it for at the moment. We'll see each other later. Thank you. Bye-bye.